Hello guys, I made over 2,200 trading Euro USD today, but honestly that is not even the interesting part. The interesting part is I almost missed the entire move, and what I did before this trade is exactly what most traders get wrong. So in this video I'm going to show you everything from the first entry to why I closed early and why I didn't stay in the market even when it kept moving in my direction. So going into today, I already had a clear plan. I wasn't looking to jump into sales immediately. I wanted price to move into my point of interest first. So what I did was I started scalping buys into that zone. Now this is where a lot of people get confused because they think you have to stick to one direction, but the market doesn't work like that. You follow price, not your feelings. So as price started moving, I took advantage of the buys, just riding momentum into my zone. Nothing forced, nothing emotional, just clean entries. And from that alone, I made over $120 thereabout. Now at this point, most people would get greedy. They will keep buying. They would overstay and then give everything back. But this is where the discipline comes in. I stopped even though price was still moving. I stopped because I wasn't here for the buys. I was waiting for my real setup, and this is the part I need you to understand. Sometimes the best trades is the one you don't take. So I stepped back and I waited. And then price finally started getting into my zone. Now at this point, I wasn't rushing. I needed confirmation because entering too early is how most traders lose money. So I waited, watched structure, and when everything aligned, that is when I took the sell. Now this is where it gets interesting again, because I closed this trade not because the market stopped, but because I was done for the day. I even told my community I'm closing here, even though I could still hold and lock in more profit. And this is something a lot of traders struggle with, knowing when to stop. This is my community. These are the trades we have taken so far, and the honest truth is that you don't need to catch the entire move to be profitable. You don't need to be in the market all day. You just need one clean idea executed properly. That's it. That is how you stay consistent in the financial market. And if you are wondering how I am able to see setups like this, I have broken everything down step by step in my focus, from understanding structure to entries to risk management to trading psychology. Everything is there. So if you are serious about trading, you can check it out. I will be leaving the link in the description box below. Okay guys, so let's run a quick analysis on this trade. This is the trade. I've taken my profit here, and you guys can see now we are experiencing a pullback. Right now, let me quickly show you guys. Quickly, let's go to daily, because daily time frame is my best friend. This market has been bullish. This is a very good break of structure, and then we have an internal break of structure. So this is a bullish market. This entire leg here is bullish. So now here we have a break of structure all to the downside here. Mind you, this is the daily time frame. The daily time frame is a higher time frame. We have an external break of structure here to the downside as well. Okay, so here what do we do now? We said here we have a break of structure to the downside is a characteristic of a bearish market, and a bearish market is controlled by sellers. So here we have an order block here. Then we agreed again that in a bearish market, an order block is the last bullish candle here before this strong move to the downside. here you can see we have, this is our high here. This is the bullish candle. You can see this is the bullish candle on the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame order block. But you and I know if I take my trade from here, price will stop me out because price went all here. So how was I able to mark here and assume that, okay, price is going to come there? Like, is it guesswork? No, it's not. I like to refine my entry, mark out my order block on the daily, but I'm definitely not entering my trade on the daily. So let's go to 4 hours, working my way from, now I'm doing multiple time frame analysis. Okay, mark out my order block on the daily. Now let's go to 4 hours and see how this aligns with the 4 hours order block. Okay, the daily order block. Definitely I'm not taking my trade from here. So this is my 4 hours order block here. I don't trade 4 hours order block too, but some of you will be thinking, okay, but your trade is on 4 hours order block. Now let's move to 2 hours. I walk my way like this from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, trying to refine my entry. Okay, so the reason why I picked this trade from the 4 hours order block is because the 2 hours order block is the same as the 4 hours order block. Can you see now? So that is the alignment I'm talking about. Okay, let me walk my way again to the 1 hour. So this is the 1 hour order block and it aligns with the 4 hours order blocks. Instead of me marking it again, I won't, because it's literally the same thing, so there's no point. I'm just going to leave it there. And then let's go to 4 hours again. It's a good trade. We can see how price got all the way into this and then start selling from there. Let's go to the 15 minutes. The 15 minutes, we have more candles on the 15 minutes because it takes each candle there 15 minutes to form. Okay, so this is wasting time. So this is basically how you spot a high probability trade. When you spot a high probability trade on the daily time frame, you refine your entry on the lower time frames. Great. So you can see this is in 30 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. This thing is slow. Okay, so this is 15 minutes, right? So this is a break of structure to the downside. This trade like this can still pull back to this level. Okay, this level, this other block has been mitigated, but you cannot put the market in the box. You can still pull back to this level and start selling from there again. But now any pullback is an opportunity for re-entry, for a sell. Okay, so let's go to 5 minutes. I don't like the lower time frame at all. Each time I trade the lower time frame, I'm always hitting stop loss, so I stop. Okay, I just focus more on the higher time frames. You can trade formations on the lower time frame, but I don't make my decisions on the lower time frame. So this is how to trade and get some money printed from the markets. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, and please, I'm going to be leaving the link to my course on seller on the description box. I know I've been repeating it. Yeah, I've been repeating it because it's very important. I don't want to hear trading is a scam, trading is not paying me. Please, 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 please make use of this opportunity and invest in yourself. And also join my community group chat on Telegram. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box as well, so you can join and benefit from everything going on there as well. Because when I first published the course, I reached out to my community and they bought it at an extremely, it was a steal, because I wanted them to benefit from it. I wanted everybody, I don't want anybody to be limited to knowledge. So it was a steal for them. Some people took advantage of that and bought, So join my community group chat. Thank you. See you in my next video.